I'm Izzy.
I'm Zoe.
And today we are making Christine's cookies. Wah, wah, wah. This recipe will be down in the comments below if you're gonna look at that. But so we're making cookies.
We've already made cookies, right?
We've already made cookies.
All right, let's see those.
Let's see those. Wah, 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 wah. How'd you like your cookies? They're from Easter. Ingredients! Here's what you're gonna need. 2 cups brown sugar. Brown sugar! 1 1/2 cup of powdered milk. Powdered milk. 4 cups of oats. Quick cooking. 1 1/2 cups of shaved coconut. Let's see. 1 package of chocolate chips, semi-sweet. 1 teaspoon of salt. Sponge. Oh, salt. Salt. 1 cup of oil. Oil. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. This much. 4 eggs. We're not gonna throw those. Yeah, no. One more thing. Gotta wear your apron.
Oh yeah, my apron. That's better.
Okay, the first thing you're gonna add is your 2 cups of brown sugar. Get out, brown sugar. Then you're gonna add your 1 1/2 cups of powdered milk. Your 4 cups of oats quick cooking. Ugh, it's heavy. And then you're gonna add your 1 1/2 cup of shaved coconut. Your 1 package of chocolate chips. You can add 2 cups if you'd like, but we like chocolate chips, so we're gonna add the whole package.
We got the really big one.
And then you're gonna add your 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now you're gonna add 1 cup of oil. All in there. Get all in there. More. Okay, it's in there now. Now you're gonna do 1 tablespoon. Wait, no, I already did that. We're gonna add
1 tablespoon.
1
vanilla.
tablespoon of vanilla, not salt. Oh, that smells so good. Then 4 eggs. And now you're gonna mix it all together. All mixed up.
Okay, so when you first mix this together, it seems very dry, but if you just keep mixing and mixing and mixing, the batter gets, for lack of a better word, more moist, and it makes it easier to put into little cookies. So you're gonna
get very messy with this.
yeah, and you're gonna have to constantly wipe your hands, but you take about this much.
Make sure to add lots of chocolate chips in that.
And then you spray your tray
With Pam.
with
for
Pam,
us.
and then just line them up.
Now that your cookies are done, you're gonna bake them in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees.
take them out of the oven, and voila.
Voila!
Cookies.
Yum. This was Christine's cookies. I hope you liked this video as much as we did making it. If you do, subscribe. Shout out to the grandparents who we wish we could be with a lot. Can I have a cookie?
Yes. Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Powdered milk. Carnation powder. It is powdered. Thank you for watching this video so much. And these were Christine's cookies. Shout out to the grandparents who we wish we could be a. This was Christine's cookies. If you liked this video as much as we did baking it, baking it. This was
Oh, Lord.